Hello, Tom. I'm inside St. Augustine's Church. This is one of the oldest ones around. This is a 16th century church. Sadly, it got very badly damaged in the earthquake. The outside is having to be all rebuilt, but I will show you the outside window. I just thought we'd come inside first. There's some sort of practice going on here for some ceremony. I don't know really what it's for. Lovely columns, lovely arch ceiling, beautiful altar down here. Of course, they've just had the big Easter festivals here. And here's the altar. Lots of beautiful stained glass. Now, I don't know whether they've replaced a lot of the stained glass or not. It looks original. I don't know if it is, or whether it's been replaced since the earthquake. And that's looking back down to where we came in. The old original bell tower is outside, and it suffered quite a bit of damage also. So I'm trying to get that for you when we go out. I just wanted to get a good view of the inside here. There's a lovely church in Manila called the Black Nazarene. It's amazing. It's in a place called Quiapo. So I'm really hoping early next week to get that one for you. That is really old and no damage as such. All right, I will head outside. There is a small inscription on the wall here. So here's the outside, Tom. As you can see, it's all scaffold. So they've been working a good 2 years on it. Looks like they've almost got most of it done. I will head up to the old bell tower now. So this is the old watchtower, or bell tower. Since 1591. As you see, they're all great posers, the Filipinos. They all want their picture taken. They all think they're models. It's funny, in some of these places we go. Marietta's decided to go back down to the shade. It's probably close to 40 right now. They do not like the heat. They're evening people. So some of this did fall. Actually, it looks pretty good from what I saw last time. It's a nice cool breeze coming through. You see, nobody's walking up there, only what they say is mad dogs and Englishmen out in the mid-noonday sun. Well, here we are. Oh, okay. I guess we're not allowed to go in here. I didn't see any signs, but they're shouting at me, can't go in there. So.
Hello, good afternoon.
So Tom, I'm just talking to this gentleman here. He was the one that told me I wasn't supposed to be where I was. And the reason being I was correct. It's because of the time the tower was damaged in the earthquake. So this gentleman is going to tell you about the reconstruction.
Yes.
This, you said this is private land here?
Yes, for the for the church only, for the St. Augustine Church, only that using. And then that one using before Watchtower, because you can see the 360 view before up there. You can see the going to West Philippine Sea, and then going to Mountaineers, going to Cordillera Mountain, going to province of Abra, and then city of Bigan. So we have a 5 bells up there. So the using before for the warning, and using for the mass of procession before. So they ring the bell before first for the warning, because we have coming a pirate or invader. So it's already high here, hide the people here in Bantay, also in Nabigan. So they ring it.
Ah, okay.
Okay, that one they using before. But no church here on the site, because one of the highest place, this one, the tower.
Yeah, the tower is the highest place. So this church behind me here, how old is that church?
It's just for 133 years, just 1 year only.
Yeah.
For the gap of the tower also, and then the bell tower, the church. Because the St. Augustine Parish Church is they built before the using of the forced labor, so that's 1 year only.
Yes. So now the church is not UNESCO either? No?
No, but one of the older that church. Not UNESCO, but one of the older church
Yes.
here in Ilocos.
So all the funding donation?
Yes.
Yeah.
And
Oh,
also we have assistance for the government,
yeah.
but suddenly you waiting to or signal for the renovating that church.
So in
Also, and then the bell tower.
so in Vegan, where the buildings damaged, is the government helping people with repairs on the hotels?
Yes.
Yes. The government money.
Everyone disaster of the earthquake, we have a assistance for the government.
Ah, okay.
Also here we have, but suddenly we have a donation for voluntary, because for the maintenance also, and then for the fund only using the stuff.
Ah, very good. What was your name?
Crisanto.
Well, thank you very much for your information. This is going all the way to Belfast in Ireland. So
Okay.
so thank you again. Take
Okay,
care.
welcome.
Bye bye.